Welcome to our AWS video series. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up a highly secure connection between data centers and on-premises using an IPsec-VPN connection. In our setup, we have one VPN gateway at on-premise location data center, and on the AWS side, we have one virtual private gateway, where we will be establishing two VPN tunnels between on-premise and AWS via BGP. By this, we will be achieving redundancy on the IPsec tunnel and BGP connections. So, the communication between on-premise servers and AWS, the EC2 instance, will always work without any disconnection. First, the VPN gateway in the on-premise data center establishes IPsec-VPN connections with the AWS virtual private gateway. These connections create secure tunnels for data transmission between the two locations. The AWS virtual private gateway device then forwards the data to the appropriate EC2 instance within the VPC. These EC2 instances are responsible for processing the request and delivering the message. The EC2 instance sends the data back through the AWS virtual private gateway, which then routes it back through the VPN connection to the on-premise data center. Finally, the on-premise data center's VPN gateway receives the processed data and delivers it to the requesting user.